Hello and welcome to Nattys Crafts. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of my kitchen with all the fun stuff that I've picked up. Alright, quick disclaimer, I own no stock and I have not been sponsored by Home Goods or Rae Dunn. So here's my little kitchen, and oh yes, that is a white fridge. There's a whole big deal on TikTok about a white fridge. But it's okay, it works, it keeps my food cold. So I did decorate this whole kitchen in Rae Dunn. Am I old school? I guess so. But look at how cute. So this was a munch. It says munch on it. It was a dog bowl, but apparently it was missing its match. And so it was like, I think it was half price I got it for. And then we've got the cute little coasters back there that say sip that you can barely see. And then we've got some florals. Well, not really. It's greenery. And then the napkins there, they also are Rae Dunn. They say eat on them, and they're really cute. You can't see it there, but they're really cute, of course. And then we have this ginormous Lazy Susan. I wasn't going to spin it for you guys, sorry. And then over here we've got some more greenery and a nice wood carving board, or cutting board, I guess. And then this cute jar that says Bon Appetit, and then the fruit holder that says organic. Organic foods are good for you. You should try them. And my wonderful Vitamix that I just got. I love this thing. It will blend anything. It makes stuff hot. It makes stuff cold. It's delightful. This one has these preset settings or whatever, so you just push the button and it's ready to go. We've got our sugar, coffee, and tea that I actually do have sugar, coffee, and tea in those. And my Keurig with my Tim cup. This is my husband's mug that he never used because he didn't drink coffee, but I cannot get rid of it. And my Berkey. So the Berkey is a water cleansing system. You put water in there and it comes out super clean. And that beautiful white fridge. Ooh. And then some more Rae Dunn over here. So we've got the flour, and I actually do have flour, and then there are some spices. There are 6 different spices in there, and I do have those filled up too. And they're quite handy. They're adorable. I wish they sat up a little higher above the frame of that little basket, but whatever. I didn't make it, so. And then salt and pepper with a cute little wood spoon. Now that utensil holder back there, that's actually a cookies jar, but I turned it around because it said cookies. And then the dry towel that's hanging from the oven. And then the oven mitts. Cookies, pasta spread, another cutting board. Look at all this fun stuff. Oh God, I love it. And then the organized basket, which obviously is not very organized. And then this fun household cleanser in pumpkin spice. It actually smells just like pumpkin spice. I would highly recommend it. Does it clean? Does it disinfect? I don't know, but it looks good. I mean, that looks good. It smells good, and that's the part that I care about. So that's my current kitchen setup. Thanks so much for stopping by. I do appreciate it. If you go ahead and leave a comment. Am I like old now that I'm doing Rae Dunn still? Like that was last year, and so now I'm so old. But I still love it. It's so cute. I know the words are kind of getting out of style, but I still love it. So tell me what you think. Go ahead and comment below. And also like the video. I appreciate it if you like it. I appreciate it most if you subscribe. As the subscriber number grows, I get so excited. So appreciate every single one of you that have subscribed or thought about subscribing. So anyway, thanks again for stopping by. Remember to always appreciate today. Tomorrow is never promised.